Now the fourth question, two parallel plane sheets have uniform charge densities plus sigma and minus sigma. Determine the electric fields outside the sheets and between the sheets. So it is based on the second application of Gauss's theorem, that is electric field at a point due to plane sheet. Okay, so two sheets are given. So these are the two sheets. So according to the question, two sheets having surface charge densities plus sigma. Plus sigma means here positive charges are uniformly distributed and hence its surface charge density is plus sigma. Here minus charges are uniformly distributed and hence having surface charge density minus sigma. This is the first sheet and this one is the second sheet. We have to find out electric field outside the sheets. That means here we have to find out electric field outside the two sheets and in between the sheet. Here let the point be 1, here the point be 2 and here the point be 3. We have to find out electric fields at all the 3 points. So first one, outside the sheets. Electric field outside the sheets. So that means at point 1. Point 1. So at the point 1, how many electric fields are there? Electric field at the point 1 due to first sheet and electric field at the point 1 due to second sheet. So two electric fields are there. So electric field at the point 1 due to first sheet, we know it is E1. E equals, what is the formula? Sigma divided by 2 epsilon 0 is the general formula for electric field due to a plane sheet. So sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Here its direction is, how will you find out the direction of electric field? If you place a unit positive charge here, due to this positive charge sheet, unit positive charge will be repelled out. So this will be the direction of E1. So here it is sigma by 2 epsilon 0 and its direction is towards left. Now what is the electric field at the same point due to the second sheet which is negatively charged, that is given by E2. Formula is again sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Okay. And what is its direction? Due to this negative charge sheet, if you place a uniform or unit positive charge here, unit positive charge will be attracted. So this will be the direction of E2 that we know. So what is its direction? It is towards right. Now, so what is the direction of the net electric field? So one electric field is towards left and another one towards right, and hence net electric field at the point 1 is, net electric field can be written as E equals E1 minus E2 because both are in the opposite direction and hence net electric field is 0. Clear? Then electric field outside the point, we can find out the net electric field outside the point at point 2. So next one at point 2. At point 2. This is the second point. Here also we can find out electric field at the point due to two plane sheets. Electric field at the point due to first sheet can be written as E1 equals sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Find out the direction due to this positive charge sheet. What is the direction of electric field? If you place a unit positive charge, it will be repelled. So this is E1. So direction is towards right. Again, electric field at the same point due to negative charge sheet is E2 equals sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Again, it will be attracted. No, if you place a unit positive charge here, it will be attracted. So direction is towards left. And hence the net electric field at the point 2 is E equals E1 minus E2 because both are in the opposite direction and therefore net electric field is 0. So on either side of the sheets, on the point 1 and point 2 on either side of the sheets or outside the sheets, net electric field is 0. Then number 2, between the sheets. Between the sheets means at point 3. Again, at the point 3, how many electric fields are there? Two electric fields. Electric field at the point due to positive charge sheet, that is E1 equals sigma by 2 epsilon 0. But what is its direction? Direction will be repelled. If you place a unit positive charge here, due to this positive charge, it will be repelled. So, towards right. And electric field at the same point due to negative charged sheet is sigma by 2 epsilon 0, and its direction is also towards right, because if you place a unit positive charge here, due to this negative charge sheet, it will be attracted. So both are in the same direction. So hence the net electric field is E1 plus E2, because both are along the same direction. Hence it is sigma by 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma by 2 epsilon 0, that is equal to sigma by epsilon 0. So net electric field between the sheet is given by sigma by epsilon 0, and that is a constant value. So this is the method of creating a uniform electric field. Okay, if a positive charge plate and a negative charge plate both are in parallel to each other, and electric field between the two plates is always uniform, and its direction is always from positive to negative.